Samsung has officially launched the Galaxy S25 series, and leaks about a more affordable Fan Edition model, the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, have started emerging. After skipping the Fan Edition for the Galaxy S22 in 2022, Samsung has continued releasing these budget-friendly versions yearly. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition will arrive in 2025 with a slimmer design compared to the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, which is 8mm thick. Although the exact thickness remains unknown, Samsung may aim to match the 7.6mm thickness of the standard Galaxy S24 by using a thinner but wider battery, which would require internal design adjustments. The device is expected to retain the 6.7-inch display seen in its predecessor and may come with a 4,700 mAh battery. The chipset for the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is still uncertain. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition featured the Exynos 2400E, so Samsung may opt for either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy or the Snapdragon 8 Elite for the upcoming model. Meanwhile, Samsung has reportedly started mass production of the Exynos 2500 processor using advanced 3nm technology, with testing expected to begin in March. There is speculation that this chip could be used in a future Galaxy Z Flip model, but whether it will be in the high-end Galaxy Z Flip 7 or a budget-friendly Fan Edition remains unclear. Initially expected to power the Galaxy S25 series, the Exynos 2500 might instead be used in the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition. Additionally, Samsung is developing the next-generation Exynos 2600 processor, which could debut with the Galaxy S26 series next year. This move suggests Samsung's efforts to strengthen its position in the smartphone processor market and potentially align launches for the Indian and global markets. That's all for today. The Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is shaping up to be an exciting release, and we can't wait to see what Samsung brings to the table. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Fan Edition? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one. Peace out.